The House of Truth marked with the color red. The team is preceded by captain Brother Muhammad Anas, a short put player marching forward holding the team flag. The club card holder darling behind is Brother R. Ismail.
وقلبه مطمئن بالإيمان. The house of faith, represented by the color blue. The team captain, Brother Atiq Ahmed, holding the flag.
நீரின் நிறம் நீலம், எங்கள் பைத்துல் ஈமானின் நிறமும் நீலமே. கடல் அலை போல அணிவகுத்து வருகின்றன பைத்துல் ஈமான் அணியினர்.
Here comes our next team. بيت الصالح. يا أيها الذين آمنوا اصبروا وصابرون. The house of righteousness in sparkling yellow. It's a ceremonial event that demonstrates discipline, unity, and coordination. It is in sparkling yellow. The team captain, Brother Ashfaq Amin, a good Kho player, being in front. His team members are following him with perfect synchronization and coordination. Sliding behind him is Brother Muhammad Ismail.
in the name of Allah and on behalf of all competitors, I assure that we shall all take part in today's sports meet, respecting and abiding by rules which govern the sports activities. I swear to committing ourselves to a sport in a true spirit of sportsmanship for the glory of sport and the honor of school.
Parents, kindly be seated.
Brother Abdul Rahman is igniting the torch to unfurl harmony and goodwill, which constitutes the ideals of games and sports during his sports days.